You're trying to use AI to boost your customer success team. Seems straightforward, right? But where should you use your AI in customer success? Or should you invest in it within your customer success organization in order to boost retention and reduce churn? In this video, I'm going to cover how you can use AI to empower your customer success team. Hey guys, I'm Jason Patel, co-founder and CEO of Open4j AI. On this channel, we'll help you drive revenue, generate sales, and meet your quota. By the way, this video is sponsored by the wonderful people at Growth Molecules. It's a revenue advisory and services firm. The experts at Growth Molecules will work with your team to turn your customer success org into the profit center you need it to be. All right, let's talk about the best ways to use AI in your customer success org. And by the way, we'll have another video about how to use AI in your sales organization. So first up, speedy after call summaries. Imagine if after every call, you got a neat summary that nailed all the important bits. What was said, next steps, and how everyone felt. That's Gen AI for you. Making sure your customer success managers, CSMs, use their time word counts so you don't miss anything important. Next up, taking notes in real time. With AI and plenty of note-taker tools, it's like having someone who listens in to catch and note down all the critical stuff, meaning what customers want, what bugs them, their pain points, and what they need. All these nuggets get tidied up and tucked into the customer's profile in your CRM, making your team's life easier and making each customer feel like you really get them. Next up, quick personalized emails. After you chat with the customer, AI will help you whip up follow-up emails quickly that hit just the right note based on what you talked about and what the customer's pain points are. It's a way to keep the conversation going with info that matters to them, keeping them engaged and connected. And most of all, it'll keep you from context switching, which is very exhausting for someone who does creative work. Then there's tasks and reminders on autopilot. During a call, AI can pick up on the tasks that come up and it'll set a reminder for you in your CRM. When they're in your CRM or another project tool, your team will be able to stay on top of things without any extra hassle and without any context switching. Then comes customizing customer chats. AI dives deep into customer data to figure out what your customers really want and love. This means you can offer them exactly what they're after in a chat, whether that's products, advice, or content that feels like it was made for them. It's all about making each customer feel like they're special, and it'll make them want to come back. On a more granular level, AI will help you spot churn early. By looking at customer data, AI can spot signs that someone might be thinking of leaving. Acting on these signs quickly and early, based on the tips from pros like Peter Ord from Guide CX, means you can keep more customers happy and on board. Peter says the first 30 days after a customer purchases your product are extremely important in making sure they don't churn. This is the golden 30 days. Next up, AI can help you find golden insights for success. Gen AI sifts through all the feedback, tickets, and surveys to find the gold, the thing that keeps your customers staying. These are insights that tell you what's working, what's not, and how to improve your product. This data-driven approach means you're always tuning your service and products to match what your customers really want, giving your company more agility, driving satisfaction and growth. Then there's boosting customer knowledge and engagement. And so AI just doesn't help out just behind the scenes. It also helps you create content that educates and engages customers, like tutorials and demos that speak directly to their needs. It all comes down to customizing the customer experience. This helps users get the most out of your product, makes onboarding smoother, and keeps them engaged over time. Remember what Peter Ord said about the 30-day golden rule after the customer purchases your product? This is where you can showcase what you're all about and keep them on your platform. So here's the bottom line. Use AI to improve your customer success performance. It'll become a necessity soon enough. All right, I know that was a lot, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It goes a long way in helping me make more content that empowers businesses to drive revenue. And of course, this video is brought to you by my friends at Growth Molecules. Growth Molecules is a revenue advisory and services firm. Their experts will work with your team to turn your customer success org into the profit center you need it to be. All right, good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.